Okay, so before we start our spelling test today, I just wanted to review our R-controlled vowel sounds.
We have things like R, far, fern, ear, third, like your, or, ordinary. Look there, listen very closely for what that R-controlled sound, because they sound very, very similar. Also listen to the words in context. Number 1, whirl. We love to whirl on the merry-go-round. Whirl. Number 2, third. He finished the race in third place. Third. 3, girls. There are 4 girls in my family. Girls. 4, firm. This mattress is very firm. Firm. Number 5. Listen carefully. This is a different word. A fern is a kind of plant. Fern. Number 6. Herds. We saw 2 herds of cows. Herds. Number 7. Stern. Our teacher is stern and serious. Stern. Number 8. Serve. I will help serve the food. Serve. Number 9. Hurt. Don't drop and hurt the puppy. Hurt. Number 10. Nurse. The nurse likes to help people. Nurse. Number 11. Turns. Louis turns left at the end of the hall. Turns. 12. Learn. What did you learn in school? Learn. 13. Pearl. Inside the oyster was a white pearl. Number 14. Word. The word big has 3 letters. Word. Number 15. World. The ship sailed around the world.